The days of dodgy AI lip sync videos are behind us. Finally, we have an AI lip sync model that's cheap, it's fast, and it gives results that quite literally speak for themselves. I'm Ash here at VEED, and we build and train our own AI models in-house, competing with tools from the likes of Google and OpenAI, but built specifically with creators in mind. Today, I'll be showing you what's possible with Fabric, our new model, which lets you make videos like this. We'll also test and compare some different video styles, and I'll share some insider tips along the way. Now, there's all kinds of lip sync tools out there, and many of them work in different ways. For ours, all you need is a reference image and an audio track. The audio track can be a recording, or you can generate something with AI text-to-speech. It then takes all of the data in the audio, the emotion, the inflections of the voice, and combines that with the visual data of the picture to create a full video with realistic lip sync and dynamic body movements. It's super flexible with different aspect ratios, and it can generate videos for up to 30 seconds long, although I've heard through the grapevine that soon this is going to be way longer. So let's make something with Fabric. First, you want to jump onto the VEED website. I'll pop the link in the description too. Head into AI Playground and you'll see Fabric has its own tab under characters. Now, this has the potential to be the shortest tutorial ever because in a nutshell, you just upload an image, upload your audio, click generate, and you have your fully fledged video ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, but let's say you don't have either an image or an audio file ready. Okay, well, here's a couple of options for you. For the image, VEED already has a bunch of pre-made characters, so you could always choose one of those. Otherwise, you can generate a fresh image by heading to the text to image tab and selecting one of the various image models. Two favorites of mine here are Nano Banana and Dream 4. They both generate high definition images, and general rule of thumb here, the higher the quality of the image, the more pixels you give the model to work with, which then often leads to better results. Now, that might tempt you to AI upscale everything, and that can totally work, but just be conscious that some upscalers give images a more plasticky, artificial look. So yeah, while the image might be higher quality for the model, you can risk losing some of the realism of the original image. I'll use Nano Banana for this example, and it lets me pick our aspect ratio, and just a note, the final video will reflect whatever you pick here. Then I'll add in my text prompt. This one is pretty simple. I've referenced our subject, the setting, the lighting, and the overall style, and then I'll click generate. After a few moments, you'll have some options to pick from, though you can obviously always generate more. From here, click back to the Fabric tab and hover over the image you like, press make video, and you'll see it line up in the model. Next, we're going to sort the audio. Outside of uploading your own file, you can record something right here in VEED or use AI text-to-speech. Type in whatever you want them to say, and then you've got a whole ton of accents and voices to pick from. And with that, let's take a look at two examples. Both will use the same reference image, but one will use an audio recording that I made, and the other will be text-to-speech, just so you can see both in action with the lip sync. Listen to the greats in the way they intended. Fresh vinyls delivered to your door every month. Curated based on your taste.
Listen to the greats in the way they intended. Fresh vinyls delivered to your door every month. Curated based on your taste.
Now, I think these both look sick. The lips and tongue movements both look really organic, and the way they gesture their whole body really sells it. But let's push the model a bit and see how it handles characters that aren't photorealistic. Let's try these two images and see how the model interacts. Life's all about balance. You've got to learn how to flourish, rain or shine. I mean, just look at me. I'm still going strong. Life's all about balance. You've got to learn how to flourish, rain or shine. I mean, just look at me. I'm still going strong. What's super handy is that the model clearly registers that the picture is a completely different style, but it still does a great job of matching up the movements of the mouth in a way that's consistent with the video. And hopefully you can see the possibilities here. Generate any character that you want and then get them to say whatever you want in a video. Each generation only costs 240 credits in VEED, and for reference, you get nearly 40,000 credits for around 23 quid. So that's crazy cheap when you consider the quality of the results. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. I'll get back to you. Otherwise, check out this video to see how you can create professional ads in VO 3.1. Hit subscribe if you want more videos like this, and thank you for watching.